Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Here is a retail sales package of Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. At the back side of the box you can see the features of Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. I have ordered 6GB 128GB variant. Two more variants are available, 6GB 64GB 8GB 128GB. I will give the links of those models in the description box. Please do check that. Here you can see that the phone is made in India. Let's open the seal. On opening the box, you will find this small box. Inside, you will find the user manual and the case. Here is a transparent case for Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and also you will get the SIM ejector tool. Let's see what we got inside the box. Here is the Redmi Note 9 Pro. I have ordered the Aurora blue color. Let's peel the stickers. The back looks like this, and here is the front. Let's keep the phone aside and let's see what we got inside the box. And here is the Type-C cable. Here you can see the Type-C cable. And here is the 33 watts travel adapter. It supports fast charging. And here is the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. It has a glass back. Here you can see the Redmi logo and the quad camera setup. And coming to the top, it has got IR sensor, so you can control your TV, ACs and so on. And here is the secondary noise cancelling mic. And to the right side you have the volume rockers up and down, and here is the power button. This power button works as a fingerprint sensor. And coming to the bottom, you have the speaker grill, Type-C port and 3.5mm headphone jack. And to the left side you have the SIM tray. Let's open the SIM tray. Here is the SIM ejector tool. Here you can see the 3 slots. You can use 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD card. So if you order 64GB or 128GB, you can expand it up to 512GB, which is a good thing. And coming to the back, it has got quad camera setup. It has got 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and 5 megapixel macro lens camera, and 2 megapixel depth or portrait camera. Below the quad camera setup you have the flash. And coming to the front side, it has got 32 megapixel front facing camera. And coming to the display, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max has 6.67 inch Full HD plus LCD display. It comes with Gorilla Glass protection. Let's power on the phone. You need to press and hold on the power button or fingerprint scanner. Here is the Redmi logo. This Redmi Note 9 Pro is equipped with Snapdragon 720G, and it has got 6GB RAM. You can even opt for 8GB RAM also. Inside you have 5020 mAh lithium polymer battery. Now let's finish the setup. By default, Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with MIUI 11. Under additional settings, you can disable this option: location, user experience program, send diagnostics automatically, and if you don't want ads on your Redmi Note 9 Pro, you have to disable this option, personalized ads. And after that, click on next. Try to disable all the options under additional settings and click on next and select the theme. Now it is loading apps, so it may take few seconds. Okay guys, the phone has booted up. Now let's go to settings and see the version of Android. Click on settings and click on about phone. Over here you can see that out of box it comes with Android version 10. Here you can see that. And also the version of MIUI is MIUI 11. And since I have ordered the 128GB, let's see how much space is available out of the box. Click on storage, and out of 128GB you will get approximately 108GB free space. Now let's connect to the Wi-Fi and check if there is any update. I have connected the phone to the Wi-Fi network, and let's see whether if there is an update. Under about phone itself, you need to click on system update, and it has got a new update, MIUI version 11.0.4.0. I'm going to click on download update. Redmi Note 9 Pro Max comes with some third-party apps such as Hello and some games also. Let's try to uninstall these unwanted apps. Here you can see that we can uninstall the pre-installed apps, and there are some more apps such as Amazon, Facebook, WPS, Ghana, and LinkedIn, and so on. You can uninstall them. To lock the phone, you need to press the power button. As I said previously, this power button acts as a fingerprint scanner. Let's try to set up the fingerprint. Go to settings, click on passwords and security, and click on fingerprint unlock. Set the screen lock. I'm going to set pattern, and let's try to keep the finger on the power button. Here you can see that. Click on done. Now let's test it. Here you can see that I have locked the phone. Now let's simply place your finger on the power button. Here you can see that it unlocks. Lock the phone again and simply place your finger, it unlocks. At the time of making this video, there is no update for MIUI 12 on Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Let's try to keep the pouch or case which we got with the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Here is a transparent case. This is how the case of Redmi Note 9 Pro Max looks like. Since Redmi Note 9 Pro has a camera bump, it may attract scratches, so I recommend you to buy another good quality case so that it protects your camera from scratches. I will make a separate video to test the camera on Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.